Unit 2 Seed Selection and Seedling Production. Session 3 Nursery Raising in Soilless Medium. Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for job role of Solanaceous crop cultivator class 9. In this unit we have 3 sessions. Session 1st and session 2 has been already covered in previous video. Now we will cover session 3 Nursery Raising in Soilless Medium. In this session we will learn about protrays, selection of protrays, and last one is planting in protrays. Now students, our session 3 topic will be, first we take protrays. Protrays are made of soft plastic with shallow plugs in which seeds are sown in soilless germinating medium. Second topic, we take selection of protrays. The most common protrays used for vegetable transplants have 50, 72, 98, 128 or 200 cells per trays. The cells in these protrays are round or square in shape and are close to each other. However, they are equally spaced in order to maximize the number of plants in a trays. For larger crop like pumpkin, bitter gourd, etc., they are protrays having 36 or 24 cells of large size. And our last topic is planting in protrays, where we will discuss about its advantages and disadvantages. Its advantages are following: more efficient use of expensive hybrid seeds. Sterilized coco pit is used as the rooting media, which reduce chances of soil-borne infection. Water holding capacity of coco pit is more. Seed in protrays require less watering. Seedling can be uprooted easily for transplanting without any damages to the root system. Protrays can be moved easily to protect the seed from adverse weather conditions. There is no waterlogging. Uniform transplants and transplanting can be mechanized. Its disadvantages are following: it requires skilled labor, it requires special care and maintenance, protrays are costly and difficult to dispose of, the use of protrays increases plastic wastage in an agricultural farm. The cost of seedling production is high, which increases the overall cost of production. Now, summary. So students, what we learned from this video? The important points are protrays, selection of protrays, planting in protrays. Thank you.